In this video, how to change Facebook password. So first go to Facebook app. I click Facebook app and then click three dot. Here three dot. This is here three dot. Click. After that, go to setting. This is setting and first account center go to. After that, password and security, click here and change password. What this is here, click which change profile to first profile password change. If you are remember, if you know old password, so you here input. If you forget old password, don't worry, forget your password, click here and then continue. Your mail id select and go to mail id, 6-digit code, send profile Facebook. So I mail id open and then refresh, and this is my mail id, code copy, or after this here input, continue. After that, this is window, new password create. So I create new password. So I create password, then next you can see automatic here. So my profile password change. This is the process, easily simple. That's it. Like and subscribe.